What did you got, Vivan?
Tools.
Come on, let's see what all tools are there. Come on, keep it down. You got a new toolbox?
Yes.
Wow! Whoa! I see a lot of tools there. Okay. Oh, what is that?
Flap.
This is what? This is a screwdriver?
Yes.
Is this Phillips?
Flaps.
Phillips? Good. This is Phillips head.
And this is flaps head.
Flathead?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's head and flaps head.
Flathead. Okay. Okay. So two screwdriver. Can you keep it out? Let's see what all tools you have. Okay. What is that black color one? Can you take it out? What is this?
Belt.
What is this?
Bolt.
Okay. And do you have nuts also?
Yes.
How many nut and bolt you have?
3.
Wow.
And these are 3. And these are 3. And these are 3. And these are 3.
Okay. Can you take it out 3 nut and bolt here? Okay. I see one pair now. Second pair is coming. Good. One is left. One pair is left. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Now, what are these silver color one?
Where these go?
What is this? Do you know what is this?
Is it for putting nails inside there and take it out and hammer it?
Whoa. Oh, so you are saying this is nail cover?
Yeah.
You can put nail from top and you can start hammering.
Yes.
Good. Okay, how many you have this?
3.
You have 3?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep 3 here.
No, let's put them here.
Okay, now we'll take everything out. Okay, okay, what is inside? It's magic. Let's see what is inside this. Wow, I see few things there.
Plier.
What is that?
Plier.
What it is used for?
To grab and for cut. Grab and cut.
Okay, can you show me how you can grab one of the bolts here? Oh, like that you can grab things? Wow, wow. Okay.
And then
Yeah, that is good. So plier we can use it for grabbing things and cutting wires, right?
I can cut wire. I can cut wire, or I can cut papers,
Okay,
or I can
grab things.
grab.
Okay, keep it here now. Plier, you can keep plier this side.
I can put plier this side.
I see a hammer inside.
Huh? This is the
Wow, beautiful hammer, blue color, blue and gray, right?
blue and here black.
Wow.
Blue, gray, black.
Good. So, what is it used for?
For hammer.
Yeah. Why? What hammer used for?
Hammer to hammer bolts.
To hammer
Nails.
nails. Oh, so you put nails on the wood and you start hammering.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have wood logs also?
Yes, look.
Log? Can you show me log? Okay. Can you keep it down? Okay. So how you hammer nails on that? Can you show me? Can you take one of the nail cover and then show me how you can hammer it?
Like
Okay. And then
hammer.
you will keep it down and then you will hammer it.
So loud.
Slowly, slowly you have to start. Good. I see it is going inside. Okay, can you lift and show me? It went inside? Nice, I see it. Good, good job. Okay,
This side is rolling.
okay, now, okay, and can you show me your hammer?
Hey, and hey,
Can you show me your hammer now?
hey.
Okay, so this side, flat side is used for hammering nails.
This side is for putting nails inside. This side is for taking out the nails.
Oh, good job.
Also, this is for swinging.
You can swing it for some time? Okay.
Look at this.
Yeah. It is going up and down, Up and down, up and down. Nice. Now let's see what else you have. I see a saw.
Saw in my mess.
Oh, yo ho ho. Nice saw.
It's for cutting. See, it can cut this.
Oh, it is for cutting?
Yeah. Also can cut those. Also can cut those.
Oh, it is basically it is used for cutting wood.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is good. If you can start cutting here, it will be good. Can you show me how to cut it? Yeah. Good job. Okay, what else you have? What else tool you have?
Lost measuring tape.
Measuring tape?
Yeah, lost.
Can you show me measuring tape? And what it is used for, do you know?
Oh, only two are there.
Two nail covers are there?
Yeah.
Ah, you can put those nails inside the wooden block.
Let's take it out.
You can put inside and then you want to take it out? You want to take it out?
I can use hammer.
Yeah. So let's try it. See? You did it. Good. Now put all three nails inside that wood block.
Okay.
Put it down and start. Chalo, let's do it. Good. Now third nail. Good. Can you put it inside? You always you have to put your block like this. Okay? Good job. Now can you tell me what is that?
Measuring tape.
Yeah, what is it is used for?
To see how size it is.
What is the size of
Yeah.
the blocks? Can you measure the block size? This block, wood block size. Can you measure with the tape?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
60.
How much it is? 6?
Yes.
It is 6 inch?
Yes.
You got it right. It is 6 inch. Okay, I liked your wonderful tool set.
Hey, hey, hey. Go, 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 go.
You have to turn it other way. Wow, that's so nice. It is going inside.
Hey, it's upside down. Hey.
So did you enjoy the toolbox?
Yeah.
Do you like to play again with the toolbox?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, Daddy.
What is that? Oh, wow. That was so fast.
Hey.
You have to hold it properly. Hold it here. Don't hold here. Now you can hit with the hammer. It might come out. It's not coming?
No. This is out. But two walls like this.
Nah, that. Good. Good. See, you know how to use your hammer.
This is for hammering it to put down, and this is for taking up like a house.
Good. And can you put all the nuts and bolts together inside the wood block?
Then look here.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Put it in there. Put it inside. Put it inside. Good. Now you can use this.
Okay. It will be stopped.
Yeah, you can use the nut to tight it.
It did not go somewhere. Like
Now, yeah, turn with your finger fast. You have to use it like this.
I
Tight
will
it.
do-
Tight it.
I will do-
That other way around, beta. Yeah. Yeah, tight it, tight it, tight it, tight it. Good job. You're doing good. Okay, now another bolt and nut.
It did all that. It can't go up and down.
Yeah, now take another one.
Now the bolts and three bolts, two bolts like it.
Yeah, so you have to put like this. Put both one by one.
It can't go up and down. See?
So you can use your screwdriver now. This is the time to use the screwdriver. Which one you want to use? Phillips or you want to use flathead? Phillips one?
I'll use flaps.
You want to use flat? Okay. You want me to hold that?
Yeah. Hey, hey. Going so fast.
Yeah, I see it. It is going inside.
This is flips and this is flaps.
Flat.
Flat. This is flips and this is flaps.
Flaps, no. Flat.
This is flips and this is flat.
Good. Now you got it.
It's getting all shut. Oops.
Good job. Let's do it for another now. Another one. Put another bolt.
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 This is bolt.
Nah.
This is nut.
Hmm.
This can go inside too.
Again, you need my help. Come on, let's do.
I want to use this.
You want to use Phillips one?
Yeah.
Okay.
For that is for using hand. That is for
Flat.
flaps and this is for lips.
Okay, got you.
Daddy, are you making video?
Yeah,
On my tools. On my tools.
yeah, about your tools. I'm just seeing how you are using all your tool. You are doing good.
But I am doing good, thanks.
Yeah,
This is flips and that is flat.
yeah, flat. Good. You got it.
Hey, hey, go away.
Little more to go. Done. Good job.
But they don't have these.
Now you kept that side, so let's do this.
Hey,
Another one.
how
There.
just stopped?
Here, this side.
Where? And it was hiding.
It was hiding.
Yeah.
Nah, you just kept it there. Okay, I think you're done with the wood block. Okay,
I
now.
think this looks like a sip.
Yeah, it looks so good. So, are you done with your toolbox?
Yes.
Okay, say
Bye bye, friends.
see you later.
See you